In the latest news about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, exciting details are surfacing, giving us a sneak peek into the phone's improvements in design. Let's explore the leaked info. Starting with something called the Iron Flex display. Samsung recently trademarked the term Iron Flex display, describing it as a foldable OLED display for different devices like phones, tablets, and wearables. While the name sounds cool, it's basically an upgraded version of the super thin glass used before. This upgrade might make the display more durable. The trademark hints that we might see this in the upcoming Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, possibly reducing the noticeable fold mark in the center of the display. Now, let's talk about some cool AI stuff coming to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, following the features showcased in the S24 series. Brace yourself for Circle to search a nifty tool where you can circle images, videos, or text on your screen, and voila! The AI does a quick search for you. There's also a new summary feature that uses AI to turn your notes or documents into neat bullet points. Plus, Live Translate is here to make foreign languages a breeze within the Samsung phone app. These AI upgrades are not just fancy tech jargon. They're expected to level up your Z Fold 6 experience, especially in photography. Despite using the same camera as its predecessor, the AI magic is predicted to bring you even better photos and videos. Now onto some leaks. Word on the street is that the Z Fold 6 will be IP68 resistant, meaning it can handle water and dust like a champ. This lines up with the rumored Iron Flex technology, making the display more durable than ever. While previous Fold models handled water well, this could be the first time they fend off dust. Big win for keeping that display in top shape. And if you're into bright screens, the Z Fold 6 is likely to hit you with a peak brightness of 2600 nits. Samsung's commitment to top-notch displays continues. Next, the cover screen. It will steal the show, a tad slimmer than planned but rocking a wider aspect ratio compared to the old models. The design is familiar, but there's a new kid on the block, a titanium frame. While we can only guess the colors for now, the design vibes with the AI features we saw in the S24 series. For those on the edge of their seats waiting for the Z Fold 6, buckle up for the full scoop on specs, design, and pricing. A 7.6-inch foldable dynamic AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Brighter, more colorful, and tougher, that's the promise. The external display is a 120Hz dynamic AMOLED, guarded by Gorilla Glass Victus, measuring in at a reported 6.2 inches, with upgrades in aspect ratio, brightness, and color accuracy. Now, let's zoom in on the camera side of things. It's like looking through the lens of innovation. A hefty 50-megapixel primary camera, a wide-angled 12-megapixel buddy, and a 10-megapixel telephoto with a cool 3x optical zoom. But here's the twist: AI enhancements are joining the party, promising to sprinkle some magic on your photography game. Under the hood, the Z Fold 6 is no slouch, packing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 muscle, backed up by a solid 12 GB of RAM and up to a whopping 1 TB of storage. Talk about a powerhouse! And to keep the lights on, a 4,400 mAh battery is in the mix, with hopes high for both wired and wireless charging to level up. Staying connected won't be a problem. The Z Fold 6 is 5G ready, armed with Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband support. It's not just a phone, it's a connectivity maestro. Running the show is One UI 6, based on the cool Android 14. Get those calendars ready because the Z Fold 6 is set to hit the market with a starting price tag of $1,850 in August 2024. In a nutshell, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 seems to be bringing some serious upgrades to the table. Think sleek design tweaks, the cool Iron Flex display tech, and a bunch of AI goodness. The leaks are like a sneak peek into what might be a game changer in the world of foldable phones from Samsung. The official launch is just around the corner, so buckle up for more updates as we unfold the latest on this highly anticipated device. And of course, don't forget to show some love. Hit that like and subscribe icon for more awesome content in your feed.